There's a good chance you know HexArmor because of their gloves, safety glasses, or hard hats. But are you up to speed on their work boots? We're teaming up with HexArmor to walk you through what happens when a company focused on safety gear sets its sights on footwear and why they're different from other brands. As a trusted name in PPE, HexArmor already enjoys an excellent reputation. When they decided to create work boots, they knew they couldn't take that for granted and started with a ground-up approach that would be worthy of the HexArmor name. Building the foundation with a safety-first mentality, they committed to working with high-quality materials and developing boots to address pain points that contractors experience in the field. The proprietary technology they use is developed in-house by HexArmor, ensuring complete control over design and performance from start to finish. To put it simply, these boots are far from being cut-and-paste products made by a third party that simply has the HexArmor logo on them. Let's look at some of the specific technologies you'll find in these boots that will change the way you think about your footwear. All of HexArmor's boots, from the ones they've launched to the ones they're going to continue to create, feature exclusive MaxSole technology. And when you think of MaxSole, think extreme heat and slip resistance. The material can withstand heat up to 572 degrees and has one of the highest slip resistance scores in the North American market. Another technology that's exclusive to HexArmor is called iPure Energy. It's found in the Xtend family. The name comes from impact, polyurethane, and energy return. When you think of iPure Energy, think shock absorption and energy return. As you walk, the material compresses to absorb the shock of your foot strike and then springs back into shape, returning energy into your next step. The product team turned to biomechanics to understand how your foot moves. The result is Bionomics, a design technology that harmonizes how your foot interacts with the boot and the ground. You can see it in the tread pattern on the Xtend series. Through a combination of decoupling and articulations, the boot moves to maintain support for your foot while allowing it to flex naturally from the start to finish of each step, delivering that all-day comfort you need. HexArmor's exclusive ClimaZone technology handles the breathability of the boots in the Xtend and Xbase lines. It's found in the lining and upper materials of the boots as well as in the insoles. By maximizing breathability, the boots transfer sweat and moisture out more effectively to keep your feet as dry as possible. Well, that's a wrap on the key technologies you'll find on HexArmor work boots. Ready to meet the team? Let's dive in. As you take a look around the HexArmor Xbase work boot, the first thing you'll notice is it's a 6-inch hiker style design with a water resistant full grain leather upper. The heel and aggressive tread pattern on the MaxSole outsole make it an excellent choice for working on bare ground. You'll also notice the BOA fit system in place of traditional laces. If you haven't had shoes or boots with this system before, it makes tightening or loosening your boots super quick and easy. Whether it's small adjustments throughout the day, removing your boots for security, or simply making the beginning and end of the day easier, the BOA fit system is extremely convenient. As you look around the ankle and heel sections of the upper, you'll notice some extra material that wraps around them. This is called AAG, Agile Ankle Guard, and it adds a layer of reinforcement to improve stability. Inside, there's a composite safety toe for protection and a moisture-wicking insole that adds comfort and aids in moisture transfer. The build is fully non-metallic, so those of you who need that in electrified work areas can give this model the thumbs up. It's also made from 8% recycled content. Moving on to the Xtend work boot, this family has the widest appeal in HexArmor's footwear lineup. Starting with the bottom, the MaxSole outsole features a wedge sole and aggressive tread. That design keeps your feet comfortable on hard surfaces while providing traction on loose ground. The upper is a water-repellent nubuck leather. From a technology standpoint, the Xtend wraps in all the features we already discussed, including MaxSole, iPure Energy, ClimaZone, and Bionomics. Taking a quick tour around the boot, note the side zipper and magnetic closure. If you've ever struggled to get into or out of your boots, this makes it much easier. There's also a glove-friendly pull tab to help you out. Moving to the front of the boot, there's a wave design at the laces. This isn't just for looks. It's specifically designed to promote the natural movement of your ankle. Don't expect an unstable ride though. There's a TPR heel counter to help keep your heel locked in place. The wide appeal of the Xtend family is more than the basic design and technology. There are more options here as well, including 6-inch and 8-inch boot heights. HexArmor also has a women's specific fit for the Xtend. This is a big deal for a couple of reasons. For one, it wraps around the unique structure and shape of a woman's foot better than simply trying to go with a smaller sized men's boot. The other is the broad size range, from a size 5 all the way to a size 14, and there are wide widths available too. Like the Xbase, Xtend boots are made from 8% recycled content, and they're a non-metallic build with a composite safety toe for those of you working around electrical hazards. The next one is the HexArmor Asphalt work boot, and it looks very different from the others in the lineup. It's purpose-built for working on asphalt. Not to mention, it's the first asphalt-specific boot in North America. A quick glance reveals a much sleeker, full-grain leather upper than most work boots due to the reduced amount of stitching around it. From the seam-free front section to minimal stitching around the rest of the upper, it improves your foot's flexibility and comfort and the overall durability of high-wear sections. To properly serve its niche, the Asphalt work boot features an impressive 5-layer system. Working from top to bottom, there's a hygienic replaceable insole, a heat insulating layer, a heat protection layer, a polyurethane shock absorbing anti-fatigue layer, and Maxsole non-marking outsole. Don't miss the importance of the insulating and heat protection layers. While the Maxsole can handle temps up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, those two layers combine to keep the inside of your boot 29 degrees cooler than the EN ISO standard requires. Notice how different the tread pattern is compared to other boots. It's largely flat and has much more spring, maximizing surface content with asphalt to provide the best possible traction. Taking a look inside the boot, the generously padded tongue and liner help promote higher breathability and better comfort at key pressure points. Like HexArmor's other work boots, the Asphalt features a composite safety toe that's lighter than steel and won't conduct heat the way steel does. So what do you think? Are you ready to experience the comfort and protection HexArmor offers by drawing on its deep roots in safety gear development? Check them out at HexArmor.com, where you can learn more and order a pair or find them on Amazon. If you have any questions or thoughts, please leave those in the comments below, and as always, thanks for watching.